This isn't just a bad day, it's a bad car. Not all cars are built to last, and some will drain your wallet, break down at the worst moments, and leave you questioning every decision you've ever made. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the 11 worst car brands you should never buy. From engines that fail way too soon to transmissions that give up and repair bills that'll make you cry, these brands all share one thing: regret. And here's the kicker. One brand on this list used to be a symbol of trust, but is now drowning in recalls and breakdowns. Can you guess which one? Oh, and before we start, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. It's a small click that helps us keep bringing you tips to avoid car buying disasters. Let's dive in. I know how it feels to fall in love with a car, only to have it betray you. Maybe you've been there too, stuck with a lemon that cost you a fortune to fix. Sound familiar? Drop your story in the comments later. I'd love to hear it. For now, let's talk about the brands you need to steer clear of to protect your wallet and your peace of mind. Number 10, Land Rover screams luxury, sleek designs, plush interiors, and that premium vibe. But beneath the surface, a reliability disaster. Leaky sunroofs, cheap seals, and electrical failures are just the beginning. Air suspension breakdowns can cost thousands to fix. A $55,000 Land Rover Evoque is less reliable than a $30,000 Toyota RAV4. That's a hard pass. Even after Tata took over in 2008, the issues persisted. Resale value tanks. A 5-year-old Land Rover is worth way less than its original price. Maintenance is a nightmare too. Brakes and tires need replacing every 15,000 miles, costing up to $5,000. Software glitches and high theft rates make Land Rover a brand to avoid unless you love stress and empty bank accounts. Number 9. Jeep is a legend for off-roading, but as your everyday car, it's a bumpy ride in more ways than one. The handling is sloppy, the interior feels cheap, and the tech is outdated. Models like the Wrangler, Cherokee, and Compass get constant complaints. In 2020, the Wrangler landed on Consumer Reports' 10 least reliable cars list. Ouch! Jeep ranks near the bottom in sales growth, with over 30 brands outperforming them. Safety ratings are slipping too. No Jeep has made the IIHS top safety pick since 2019. Owners joke that Jeep stands for just empty every pocket, and they're not kidding. Frequent repairs, pricey parts, and high maintenance costs make Jeep a risky choice for daily driving. Number 8, General Motors, GM. GM has been around forever, but longevity doesn't equal quality. Their cars often have flimsy interiors, shoddy paint jobs, and rust issues that appear way too soon. Trucks like the Silverado deal with drive shaft vibrations, and the Northstar engine is infamous for catastrophic failures due to weak head bolts. GM's transmission control module issue affects countless vehicles, and instead of stepping up, they leave owners with the bill. The 2014 ignition switch recall was a low point, and their customer service is a mess. One-star reviews are everywhere. GM has lost its spark, and if you want a car that lasts, look elsewhere. Number 7, Chrysler's known for cutting corners. Cheap materials, poor engineering, and cars that fall apart too soon. Their interiors feel like they're made from dollar store plastic, and models like the Pacifica minivan face recalls for engine stalling and battery defects. In 2018, 15,000 Pacificas were recalled for software failures. Repairs cost a fortune, $680 per year on average, higher than most brands. Dealerships often dodge warranty work, forcing owners to pay out of pocket. Chrysler's been passed around from Daimler-Benz to Fiat to Peugeot, but the quality issues never go away. It's a brand built on shortcuts, and it shows. Number 6, BMW is all about the thrill of driving, performance, status, and that luxury feel. But reliability, not their strong suit. Over-engineered engines mean parts wear out fast, and repairs are wallet-crushing. The N23-328i has timing chain issues, the N55-335i leaks oil, and the N63 V8 drains batteries like it's a hobby. Used BMWs are tempting with their low prices, but the upkeep is brutal. Customer service is no help. BMW drags out warranty claims and avoids fixing major issues. A recall of over 720,000 vehicles for faulty water pumps that could catch fire? That's a safety red flag. BMWs are built for fun, not for lasting. Number 5. Mercedes used to be the gold standard. Tough, reliable, and built like tanks. But around 2000, things changed. Water-based paint caused rust, and complex tech became a repair nightmare post-warranty. Turbocharged engines and dual-clutch transmissions need constant care, and skipping maintenance is a recipe for disaster. Worn-out hydraulic engine mounts cause vibrations, failing air suspensions mess with ride height, and even gearbox mounts rattle. Repair bills soar into the thousands, and fuel economy suffers due to their performance focus. Mercedes promises luxury, but delivers long-term headaches. Number 4. Jaguar's sleek designs scream sophistication, but their reliability is a letdown. They rank 29th out of 32 brands, with issues like self-destructing diesel engines, failing infotainment screens, and glitchy seat electronics. The F-Pace is a repeat offender, with overheating engines and drained batteries. Maintenance costs are steep, $1,123 per year, nearly double the industry average. Repairs are frequent, and 14% of issues are severe. Jaguar's interiors feel dated, and their after-sales service is awful, with long wait times and poor support. They aim for high-end but miss the mark. Number 3. Volkswagen has a split personality in the U.S. Some see it as nostalgic, others as a headache. Repairs are pricey and tricky since many mechanics aren't familiar with VW's setup. Imported parts mean longer wait times and higher costs. Electrical components, sensors, AC compressors, infotainment systems, fail often. The diesel emissions scandal crushed their credibility, and recent recalls, like 80,000 vehicles for faulty dashboard software, don't help. A VW might seem like a fun choice, but reliability issues make it a gamble. Number 2, Audi's got that wow factor. Gorgeous designs, premium interiors, and a smooth ride. But that magic fades fast. Audi barely beats the industry average for long-term reliability, and hitting 200,000 miles is a pipe dream. Fuel pumps, electronics, and engines break down early, with fixes like a $2,000 fuel pump replacement. The Q5 can have car alarms go haywire, sometimes needing a tow. Audi's love for complex tech means more parts to fail and bigger repair bills. Limited dealerships mean long waits for service. Audi feels like luxury at first, but it's a costly trap over time. Number 1. Volvo. This one might catch you off guard. Volvo is famous for safety, but reliable? Not so much. Consumer Reports gave the XC40 a below-average reliability rating for 2022 and 2023, with problems in climate control and electronics. The XC90 and XC60 aren't much better, with electrical issues hitting the engine and beyond. A recall for brake software failures that disabled braking assist is a serious safety risk. Maintenance costs $769 per year, adding up to $13,513 over a decade, more than many reliable brands. Volvo's style and comfort are top-notch, but their reliability makes them a risky buy. Choose wisely. These brands are a gamble not worth taking. Your car should be a trusty companion, not a money pit. So what's the worst car you've ever owned? Share your horror story in the comments. I'm all ears. If this video saved you from a bad buy, give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone car shopping, and subscribe for more tips to make smart choices.